Why does your scanner show the P06A3 engine code? What does it mean? P06A3 is a diagnostic trouble code for sensor reference voltage D circuit or open. This engine code indicates that this means the ECM or PCM has detected a problem with the 5-volt reference voltage circuit that supplies power to various engine sensors. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: wiring issues, sensor problems, ground issues, PCM failure. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Chevy Silverado, Chevy Duramax, and Chevy Cruze models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.